Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for a super nourishing and moisturizing body wash, you're gonna wanna check out this Olay body wash. This is the Ultra Rich Moisture Shea Butter body wash with B3 complex. So I got this in a 4-pack of 22 fluid ounce bottles, and these are awesome. So first of all, it is winter right now for me, and my skin gets so dry, and this stuff is so nice because it is super rich. It has a really nice moisturizing quality to it, and I find that my skin is not as dry when I am using this. It has a really nice light, fresh scent. It's a super rich and thick formula, and it lathers really, really nicely, especially if you're using it with like a washcloth or a puff. It really gets a nice lather, so it feels awesome when you're using it. So I think that this is a great option for a moisturizing body wash that does a great job. It smells wonderful, and it really makes my skin feel great. And that's my point of view.